Good morning, guys. An absolute buzz of a weekend. I've went to a seminar yesterday. I was going to do another video last night just to give you a recap of what I've been up to this weekend. I went to the Excel in London and by the docks, and there was a seminar called the Digital Nomads. Now, I've been to a seminar many years ago. In fact, I've been to quite a few seminars, picking up different ideas here and there, and that's helped me succeed with my business online. But there is a completely new method that's been tried and tested and is 100% guaranteed to make you an absolute killing online with high ticket money, high ticket expenditure. Now, I'm absolutely buzzing out of my head at the moment. I couldn't sleep properly last night. I woke up. I went to bed on Saturday night, probably about 11:30. I got up at 4 o'clock. I travelled all the way to London. I got there about 7. The doors opened at 8. I was in there. I was hanging out with all these big entrepreneurs that I've been following. They've been my mentors throughout the years, showing me exactly what I needed to do to make an income online. And one of my favourite entrepreneurs, mentors, is Brett McFall. So I've signed up to his program because this was like a light bulb moment. This is something that anybody can implement. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy his system, and I'm going to share it with you as well. But I'm only going to tell you certain bits of it, because if you're really interested in it, then I suggest that you hook up with me. We sort of like correspond via Skype or anything like this, so I can tell you more in depth about it. But the system is what I'm going to call it. It's going to be called the no sales money formula. Okay, and what do I mean by no sales money formula? Well, the no sales money formula means that you don't do any selling. Okay, now that's completely the opposite of how an online business works, because normally it's all about the selling. It's all about making that first dollar and getting people down into a funnel. We're not going to be doing that at all. We're going to be working in the complete opposite way. We're going to be doing something completely, that's not in the books, written in the books at all whatsoever. So let me just go through the steps just to explain to you exactly, what this entails of. The first thing that you end up doing is, I'll just grab a pen, is you do one ad that's been tried and tested and been proven to work in pulling customers. Okay, so you do that, you get that tried and tested advert. Okay, so that's been pre-written. It's no sales pitch, it's just connecting with the customers. Okay, so you don't have to go out and find customers, they come to you. So this will apply to a certain type of niche, the customers in that niche as well. Then you're going to drop them a link to an automated webinar, which is free training with no sales. Okay, so I just put a tick here. Now this is where people, I think, sort of, get mind boggled and don't understand why do a webinar that offers free training with no sales. At the end of the day, who likes to be sold to? Nobody really likes to be sold to. You see something, you want something, you want to buy it. Okay, the sales is just a guidance to tell you what that something is and what it does. But you don't need to do any hard sales. If you help solve a problem and you do that for free, what then happens is people want you. It puts you on a pedestal, and people want you to teach them other ways, or help them solve another problem. So say for instance you've got like 4 dots in the middle of a room. So you've got 4 dots in the middle of the room, and they all need to be connected to be able to get to this giant dot at the end, okay, which is your goal. Okay, so it's not written very neatly, but hey. So most people, they have this bit, this bit, this bit, this bit. They don't have the goal because they're missing that missing link to connect them to the goal. So they only need help in a certain, area on their business. And when you do your free webinar training with no sales pitch at the end, you're just helping them. Okay, for starters, you get people to come up onto your registration for the webinar, which can be seen when they like. At the end of the day, they don't have to come home and be there at 2 o'clock in the afternoon because of the fact that the time difference or anything. It's going to be seen when they like, okay, and they'll be able to see the training, and at the end of it, that is it. You'll have people contacting you, so you'll have an enroll form, and what this will do is give you a one-to-one conversation with these people. So once they do that, they can enroll to come and speak to you one-to-one. Okay, so when you help them, you listen to them. So that's the main thing. You want to listen. So that's like the number one thing that you must do. You've got to listen to your customer at the end of the day, because if you can deliver what they want just by listening, then that's problem solved. So what they want to do then is they want to give you money, so to coach them. So customers give you money at the end of the day, but you can narrow out, once you fix this link and they achieve this, they want to come back to you for more. So when they come back to you for more, you don't need to sell. They want to buy from you. So this whole method is going to work a treat. Now, as I said, I'm going to be doing the training with Brett McFall, and just to give you a recap of what happened this weekend, if you finish watching the end of this video, you will see that I got to hang out with Andrew Reynolds, Brett McFall, Tom Hull, and Pat Mesiti. Now, these people are big entrepreneurs. These are well-known, well-respected people. Pat Mesiti being a life coach. Tom Hull is a Chinese business entrepreneur who's built his big empire online, with his training videos as well, and sells to China because China's up and coming and just blowing the world away so far. And then you've got Brett McFall, who's a well-known copywriter, and he's written a few books as well, so he's a good author. And you've got Andrew Reynolds, who's made absolute millions on the internet. So these people, I've been copying their system and I've been learning step by step. So I'm going to teach you step by step. I want to help you achieve your goals at the end of the day. I want to help connect the dots to achieve this goal for you. Okay, that's my aim to you. And there's not going to be any selling at all. This is just corresponding with me and you. But as I said, watch the end of this video. I'm going to show you a couple of video clips that I took just before the event and during the event, and I'm going to show you some pictures of the event, pictures of me hanging out with the big time entrepreneurs, these great mentors that will help give you that buzz and set you on the right track as well. I'm going to share all this with you. I'm going to share some information with you as well on this video. So just stay on and watch it till the end. Okay, good morning guys. I'm just going to turn this radio down for a second. Just got into my car. It is 5 o'clock on Sunday the 1st of July. I just need to sort my watch out actually because it's on 31st of June. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 4. I'm on my way to London to a seminar, and I couldn't go yesterday or Friday because I was at the shop and I was doing some work with customers and the team as well. But literally, I can't wait. It's really early in the morning, man. I'm not normally up this early, but it's really early, and I'm just quite stoked about it. You see the fox run past as well, but it's a really exciting day. So I'm gonna do like little tiny videos, blogs, just to keep you up to date on what's going on. You know, I'm going to be seeing some big speakers tonight. Today, seminar starts. Doors opens at 8 o'clock, and I've got to get all the way to the XL London. This is the Digital Nomad seminar held by Andrew Reynolds, which is one of my mentors. I've been following him since 2008, and he's helped me with the start of my success of my internet business. And obviously, you know, throughout the years you require different mentors, and I'm quite excited about seeing him actually, and seeing the speakers at the stage today at the seminar. So I'll keep you posted on the next video. Right guys, I've just arrived at the XL Centre. Nice long drive. What time is it? It's 7:20. I'll keep you posted with the rest of the updates later. Look, let me just stand next to the orange sign. There you go. Venue this way. All right, speak to you soon. Hey guys, I just finished the seminar, and you know, it's been an all-day event. Got up at 4 o'clock this morning, got down here just before 7, as I did my video earlier, and now just finished. Wow, what a day. So I've got some pictures with my mentors, signed up to a couple of programs, and I should be able to help you in different aspects of internet marketing soon. So keep your eye out. This was a great event.